Let's explore a natural remedy that's gaining popularity, a powerful hair growth serum made from castor oil and rosemary oil. Hair loss and thinning can become a reality as we age, especially after 40. But a combination of castor and rosemary oil might just be the boost your hair needs. Castor oil has been used for centuries to stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. Its high ricinoleic acid content promotes blood circulation to the scalp, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles. This helps support healthier, stronger hair growth. Castor oil also contains omega-6 fatty acids, which nourish the hair shaft and prevent breakage, making hair look fuller and more resilient. Plus, its thick consistency coats each strand, adding shine and protection against environmental damage. On the other hand, rosemary oil is well known for its ability to stimulate hair growth. Studies show that rosemary oil is as effective as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, in promoting hair regrowth. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the scalp, helping to prevent dandruff and reduce itchiness, while its antioxidants fight free radical damage that can weaken hair follicles. Rosemary oil also contains ursolic acid, which promotes circulation to the scalp and helps rejuvenate thinning hair. Using these oils together creates a powerful duo. Castor oil strengthens and nourishes hair strands, while rosemary oil stimulates growth and maintains scalp health. Here's a simple serum recipe you can try. Ingredients: mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 10-15 drops of rosemary oil. Application: massage the mixture into your scalp for 5-10 minutes to enhance circulation. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for a deeper treatment. Frequency: use 2-3 times a week to see the best results. After several weeks, many users report thicker, shinier hair with less breakage. And while no remedy works overnight, consistency with this natural serum can yield impressive results over time. So why not give your hair a little extra care? For more tips on enhancing health and wellness naturally, check out our previous videos on mind/body integration and subconscious mind programming to nourish not just your hair, but your mind too.